Hey, what's up, you?
I'm ready to take this off and go get me some SpaghettiOs. Here we go. Let me just... Oop. Nice. Double lash rip. So I've never removed, whatever this stuff is called. Rigid collodion? Yeah. Never done that before. This should be interesting. I think I just need to rip it. Oh. Ow. Ow. Let's just wipe this part off now. Oh, the skin is tender. Oh my god. Don't be me. Buy a remover. It's fine. I'm fine.
Whoa. Hey, what's up? Whoa.
Yay, time to take this off. I cannot wait. Let's get into it. Before I take this off though, can we take a minute to appreciate this? This took a total of 7 hours to rhinestone. Okay, first I'm gonna take off the mask. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. I forgot about all the cotton balls underneath. 7 hours. Okay. I had to put a tissue up my nose because it was running so bad. I'm just gonna soak this area in an oil-based cleanser. Okay, let's scrape these off. The same oil-based cleanser on my eye. I'm just gonna let it soak. All of this is Prozaid, which is like the strongest prosthetic glue. I always try to avoid using the remover because it smells so bad. But today I need it. I'm literally holding my breath. Oh yeah, and green totally stains your skin. That's fun. I love today. Okay, my neck is gonna stay stained. It's fine. But I'm about to take the longest shower ever. Bye.
An amazing day.
Take off this Grinch makeup with me. So first of all, I can barely breathe and my hands aren't green, they're kind of blue, so don't judge me. So first thing is the fingers. This is grossing me out. They're actually coming off easy. I thought it was going to be like cotton ball-y everywhere. Oh, I still have more. Ooh, that one hurt. Now for the wig and hat. Y'all know these lashes are next. Now for the lovely brows. Ooh. I have eyebrows. That was scary. Okay, now pray for this brow. Oh, I think some hair is in my eye. But I have brows. Now time for this guy. It's already opening up. And this is literally all toilet paper and it's so hard. Ew, that was super easy. This almost looks like a legit prosthetic. Now time for that Juno & Co. I just love the way it smells. Oh, this is gonna be so messy. And it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out of my ears, let me tell y'all. Literally looking like Shrek over here. Also, I have some really fun and exciting news. I will be moving out of this apartment and getting a 2-bedroom so I can have my own makeup room. And that also means no extra background noise. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. Lash 1, lash 2. Oh my god. All that hard work. They call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch, do in my clutch. Oh, I'm too much. I never have a technique to taking off my makeup. I just sort of wing it, you know. Ugh. I'll be getting in the shower, cleansing my face, probably about 2 to 3 times, washing my hair deeply. When I tell you, Maron face paint to get out of your hair is a nightmare. Why do I low-key look like Jack Frost? Okay, I'm going to go and have a deep shower because I cannot get this off my body, so I'll be back in a minute. Oh yeah. I showered, I'm in bed.
Take off my makeup with me! I have to be at rehearsal in 7 minutes, and I look like this. I don't want to take it off, it's cool! This took literally so long. I guess let's just take it off. These weren't even attached to me. Okay, I'm taking the wires out first. I'm so stressed. You know what? We can take it off all together. So these I made. They're silicone prosthetics. Same with this one. Tutorial for how I made this head on my page. Like, I want to take the head off, but... Oh, okay. It's just going to take my whole bald cap off, I guess. If you want to be this for Halloween, I got you, okay? It's the complete kit. You just got to glue it on. Lashes. And I think I'm going to keep the contacts in because I want to. And I'm out of makeup wipes. So, okay, I'm going in with a balm instead. Oh my god. Disgusting. I don't have time for a shower. I have to be there in 3 minutes now. I'm gonna show up like this because ready for class.